Hello everyone, my name is Naveen Chand Sukla and today we will learning about one of the most important reaction in organic chemistry, that is electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. So in this reaction we will understand why benzene reacts, how the reaction mechanism work in the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, and what controls the position of substitution. Let's break it down step by step. So I am going to write first why benzene reacts. This is benzene. This is highly aromatic compound and it is electron rich species. Why? Because it is having electron cloud in their p orbital. So it is electron rich and this want to donate their electron in any electron deficient species. Donates to electron deficient species. We can say here this is electrophile. Why benzene gives substitution reaction instead of addition reaction? In the addition reaction, benzene lost its total aromaticity and we can't regain its aromaticity. But in substitution reaction, we can replace one hydrogen atom and regain or restore its aromaticity. So this is why benzene reacts. And second point is how the reaction mechanism involved in aromatic substitution reaction. So this is my electron rich species and I am going to represent electrophile as a E plus. This pi bond attack on electrophile make arenium complex. This is slow step. Why this is slow? Because benzene ring losing their aromaticity, so it costs high energy. And when any aromatic compound heads to lose its aromaticity, so this is going to be RDS also, rate determining step. And for this compound, arenium complex, we can write more resonating structure. This pi bond migrate or simple we can say resonate with positive charge. We will get para positive charge, then further resonate this pi electron, again we will get positive charge at R2 position. So these three are our resonating structure. So next step we have to restore its aromaticity. So for that we have to remove one hydrogen as an electrophile. From we can remove from here, this is H plus and we will gain our substituted benzene. This back to happy state means happy aromatic state. This is my substituted benzene. So electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction involves four reactions: nitration, sulfonation, bromination, Friedel-Crafts acylation and alkylation. So I am going to take one example of nitration. We can understand how the reaction first example, nitration. In nitration, NO2 or nitronium ion act as a electrophile. So this is my benzene ring, means electron rich species attack on electrophile, means nitronium ion, and make nitrobenzene complex. Nitrobenzene. Nitration involves two-step mechanism. First, we have to form electrophile. For the formation of electrophile, we have to take nitric acid and treat with any concentrate acidic medium. So I am going to take acidic compound sulfuric acid. This is step first, and this is sulfuric acid. This is nitric acid. This lone pair will take H plus from sulfuric acid and make hydronium ion OH2 positive, and negative charge will migrate and leads to the formation of nitronium ion NO2 positive and water. This is my electrophile. In step second, we have to treat this electrophile with electron rich species. This is benzene. This is electrophile that we have generated in previous step. We will get nitroarenium complex. Further replacing one hydrogen, we will get our re-aromatized nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. So this is two-step mechanism involved in nitration reaction. So what about third point? Third point was what control the position of substitution. Third, what controls the position of substitution. Like if our benzene ring is already substituted with any kind of group like G, before the reaction it is G. G can be electron donating group or it can be electron withdrawing group. If G is substituted with electron donating group, it is going to activate our benzene ring and act as a activators. So it is going to activate our benzene ring. How it is going to activate, we will understand next concept. And if you have electron withdrawing group and benzene ring, it will deactivate to benzene ring. Electron withdrawing group can be NO2, Cl, carbonyl, etc. And electron donating group can be OH, NH2, NHR, CH3, etc. So first I am going to take example with substitution of electron donating group. This is phenol. Due to phenol having lone pair on their orbitals, so we can assume like here lone pair acting as a cheerleaders. Assume lone pair is standing outside of the benzene ring and shouting for the benzene ring, go, go ring, go, attack on the electrophile. This is electrophile. So we can write resonating structure by resonate this lone pair. We will get negative charge this on ortho position first, then second resonance we will get negative charge at para, again it will migrate and negative charge will come at ortho again. Then this will migrate and we will get our first structure, phenol. So here we can simply see negative charge is coming at ortho, para, again ortho. Means electron density at ortho and para is more. So preferable attack from the ortho and para is going to measure on the electrophile. So if our benzene ring is substituted with electron donating group, ortho and para product going to form. So it is ortho and para directly. Ortho and para directly. If we have electron withdrawing group, like example, I am going to take nitrobenzene. Here electron withdrawing group nitro is acting as a vacuum cleaner. It is sucking electron from the benzene ring, so going to destabilize ortho and para position. How it is going to destabilize ortho and para position? It will abstract electron from benzene ring and we will get positive charge at ortho. Further resonance, we will get one more resonating structure and a positive charge will come at C4. Next, we will get one more resonating structure and positive charge will come at ortho position. Further, we will get our first nitrobenzene group. So the electron density is going to low at ortho, para, and again ortho. So the preferable attack won't be from ortho and para position. But here we can say meta. In all the cases, meta having more electron density than others. So preferable attack from the meta is going to possible for the our major product. So it is meta directing effect. Meta directed product is going to form if our benzene ring is substituted with any type of electron withdrawing group. So I am going to explain one special case, that is if my benzene ring substituted with halides, what is going to the major product, because we know halide acting as a electron minus I effect. We know about minus I effect. So it is going to deactivate our group, our benzene group, but it is not going to give meta product. How? Let's see. X is having lone pair in their orbital. So lone pair in orbitals, it can resonate with our benzene ring, but due to minus I effect, it will abstract electron from the benzene ring. So at the same time, it is acting as a deactivation for our benzene ring, but by the resonance, it is going to make more electron density over the benzene ring. Simply we can understand by assuming we have strict parents, so they are going to abstract electron with minus R effect, but they will spread some love by plus R effect. So this will show plus R effect, and simple it will show minus I effect. But they, here plus R will going to dominate over the minus I effect. So it will give ortho and para like electron donating group. So these concept is going to use in problem solving. Let's do some problem. Then we can more understand how we have to apply these concepts. First, we will do one simple problem. Bromination of benzene ring. This is benzene. This is Br2, bromine, and this is Lewis acid. Why we have taken Lewis acid? Because we have to make electrophile. How we will generate? Br2 having lone pair. First, this lone pair will attack on empty orbital of Fe, means iron. It will form adduct. Br positive, FeCl 3 negative. This is adduct. Due to this bond is highly ionic and more electron deficient species abstract both electron, and it will generate our electrophile. Then further benzene ring is going to react with electrophile Br positive. We will get our bromobenzene. Let's do some important problem if our benzene ring is already substituted. Second, if my benzene ring is substituted with NO2 and we are doing alkylation, this is the part of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. We have to treat with the FeCl3. Same here, we will treat both and we will get CS3 positive as electrophile, and further we will get our meta product due to electron withdrawing group. Third example, we will take if my benzene ring is already substituted with any kind of electron withdrawing group. Third example. Do the acylation. Cl, we have to treat with Lewis acid. We will get acylated product OH, one we will get at ortho plus we will get para. This is my acylated product. So this is going to slightly measure here. Why? Because oxygen hydroxy act as a plus R and also minus I effect. At this position, plus R will be stronger, we know, but minus I is also stronger. But this position plus R going to strong, but minus I weak. Why? Because inductive effect is dependent on the distance of the sigma electrons. So these are some examples. So I am going to conclude what we have learned so far. We have learned why benzene reacts, what is the mechanism involved in the electrophilic substitution reaction, and how can predict if my benzene is already substituted. What is going to be major product. So I am going to end. Thank you.